try one more time. Try one more time. Keep going. Come on, motor pony. Canter though. Lots of legs. Lots of legs. 1, 2. Lots.
Good boy.
Zoom, zoom.
He's got some, what are those called? Barnacles on his head?
Barnacles?
What are they called? They're like pointy and they stick on them.
Birds.
That's it.
Gemini and Basca equals whoa, buddy, whoa. Basca's like, no more jumping for me.
Okay, I'm going to do another transition. I'm going to try and get it. Good boy.
I'm sure you can get it, Natalie. After all, what kind of rider are you?
Make it a separate video.
You're too fast. You're gonna fall off.
Hey, I'll do it in the corner because he does better than that.
Gotta do it around the world.
No, wait. Okay, I'll do it in that.
This is hard. Natalie, I'm falling off.
Okay, I'll do it in this corner.
I can't film you when you go in circles.
Keep going.
Leg. Good boy. Another jump? That means I have to go around again. Wow, you're doing so well. Oh my god.
Hi, Basca. Hi, Pookums. Film me. I'm just gonna pull out.
Why don't you do that jump?
Because I did that one to that one. Okay.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes! I guess so. Oh, yeah.